Welcome to Laxis. I'm Sarah, Product Manager at Laxis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Laxis AI Copilot. This video will guide you through using Laxis AI SDR and Laxis AI Meeting Assistant. In AI SDR, you'll learn to set up campaigns, automatically search for potential customers, personalize outreach, analyze results in the dashboard. In AI Meeting Assistant, we will cover how to install and use Google Meet extension, invite Laxis AI Assistant to your online meetings, record a meeting with computer microphone, upload an existing audio file, edit a transcript, activate a 7-day premium or business plan free trial, connect your calendar, LaxisChat, Laxis AI Writer, Team Channel, connect to CRM, Keyword Tracker and Insights, Referral. Now we'll explore Laxis AI SDR. This tool automates outreach and boosts lead generation, allowing you to focus on closing deals with our AI-powered sales development representative. First step, set up your campaign. Create a new AI SDR campaign, provide the following: company name and campaign title, campaign goal, product or service landing page URL, AI agent details, voice, name, job title, brief product or service description and values. Second step, search your customer profiles. The customer profile search page lets you specify target locations, company headquarters or employee locations, job titles, industries, and company sizes. Use these filters to pinpoint your ideal customer profiles. Third step, personalized outreach. After you enter your campaign and customer information, Laxis AI SDR will find your potential customers. Preview the sample customer profiles to see their names, job titles, emails, LinkedIn locations, and organizations. Laxis helps you create outreach sequences from the initial outreach to follow-ups. Tweak the AI prompts, just hit the button. Last step, analyze and optimize. On the dashboard, you can keep an eye on your campaign performance. You can also filter by time period, check the data to see how your campaign is doing, keep track of leads you have outreached. Let's dive into using Laxis AI Meeting Assistant. It's super cool. Upon logging into your account, you will be directed to the main dashboard where we support for online meetings, in-person meetings and audio file upload. At the top of the dashboard, you will find 3 convenient methods for recording and transcribing using a microphone, uploading a local file or importing directly from a recorded meeting session. For newcomers to the platform, we encourage you to explore the sample conversation provided in the recent meetings. Integrate your Google Calendar to connect with upcoming meetings. The next we have is how to install and use Google Meet extension. To download, visit the setting page, navigate to the app section and then click the Install Chrome extension button. Then download the extension from the Google Chrome Web Store for free, and once downloaded, find the extension at the top right of your browser. Each time you start a Google Meet meeting, the Laxis toolbar will show on the right side of your screen. Laxis allow you to highlight and tag element as important follow-up or action during the meeting. Toggle the auto scroll and access the download menu on the toolbar. Choose to download the transcript to the Laxis cloud or as a Word document, PDF or text file. The next step we have is how to invite Laxis AI Assistant to your online meetings. We will use Zoom as an example. Just paste the Zoom URL to get started. Now our AI assistant is here to record, transcribe and take notes on your behalf. Now let's explore how to record in-person meeting. To begin recording, click the Record button on the home page. Next, select the language that will be spoken during the meeting. Upon starting, you'll see a compact audio recording panel with pause and stop options. You can also enable real-time transcription by clicking the transcribe button. You can now interact with LaxisChat to ask questions about your meeting. Simply type your query to get relevant information. The next lesson we have is how to upload a meeting. Alternatively, you can upload existing conversation by clicking the Upload button. Simply upload any mentioned audio format like MP3, M4A, etc. from your device. Select the transcription language and click Upload. Your file will be uploaded and accessible on the conversation page. The next we have is how you can effortlessly edit your transcript by selecting any conversation, entering the editor page and refining transcription according to your requirement. Assign sentences to specific topic. You can even add or delete sentences and even update the speaker name. Next is how to activate a premium or business plan free trial. Laxis now offers its complete set of business and premium features at no cost for a 7-day trial. Simply click Start Your 7-Day Free Trial button and enter your card information. Don't worry, no amount will be deducted until the trial period concludes. Let's just see how to connect your calendar. You can simply connect your calendar with Laxis either on the home page or go to the setting page. Sign into your Google or Microsoft Team Calendar account and let Laxis automatically join the meeting and take notes for you. Now let's introduce you to LaxisChat, which brings the power of generative AI and chatbots to your meeting transcript. Simply select any meeting and let LaxisChat assist you with any question related to your meeting. Use LaxisChat to find and respond to answers to customer requirements, project updates, meeting summaries, and much more in just blink of seconds. Navigate to LaxisChat in the main menu. You can then freely interact with Laxis AI by asking questions about your previous meetings. The AI will provide relevant information based on your past conversations. The next powerful AI tool we have is Laxis AI Writer. AI Writer automates the entire process of capturing the most important element of the meeting and turning it into well-written blogs, newsletter, show notes, social media posts and much more. Create custom AI Writer templates for your needs. Visit the AI Templates page to view existing templates, including default general and sales templates with structures you can use as a foundation for your own. Name your new template. Add sections by entering a title and description for each. The next important feature we have is how to use Laxis Team Channel. Laxis Team Channel is designed for easy sharing in collaboration with your teammates on meeting transcripts and notes. To create a channel, navigate to the channel option and click on the Add button located on the side navigation bar. Click on the channel name to enter this channel. Review all the meeting notes shared in this channel. You can click on each meeting and then review the details of each meeting. Click on the Share button and choose the channel. Your meeting will be shared in that channel. To add new member to your channel, click on the setting icon in the top right corner and invite more people by adding their email. The next tutorial is on how to connect to CRM. To set this up, navigate to the App tab and click Connect to integrate Laxis with your HubSpot account. On the Conversation List page, select the meeting you want to share and click Send to HubSpot. Enter the customer email or name and then click Send. A note is created in HubSpot, including customer requirement, action items, a meeting summary, and a link to the recording. The next tutorial we have is how to use keyword trackers and view insights. Consider setting up a keyword tracker to enhance accessibility to analyze your meeting during recording or editing. Trackers allow you to include present topics and keywords. Simply input your tracker name, click the Add icon or hit Enter, and then add topics along with their corresponding keywords. To modify a topic name, simply click the edit button next to it. Utilize the Insight page for a comprehensive view of your meeting. Hover over a topic to view its frequency. Dive into the conversation section to filter by topics and keywords, facilitating easy analysis. Additionally, you can download your Insights report in various file types such as Word, PDF, text, etc. with an option to include timestamp and topic. The next tutorial we have is how to use a referral. Invite others to join Laxis and get 30% commission of all payments for the first 12 months for every new customer you refer. Thank you for watching this tutorial.